Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make an origami glove. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper, fold it into two equal halves horizontally. Now from the other side, fold it. Now from the bottom, fold a little. And now turn it back and fold horizontally towards the center mark. Then from the other side, the same step. Now fold it, press well, turn it back. Now fold it as shown. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the glance of more origami tutorials like this. Now fold it and press well. Alright, now we are going to make the thumb of the glove. Press it well. Now fold the corners elegantly. Press well, then the second corner, fold it and press. You may share this video with your friends, family members and relatives. Now fold the thumb from the top and now fold its corners from both sides. And it's done.